Go ahead, honey.
What's the plan?
Just let him go. Bring him on over. We'll let him crawl over. We'll go over there. We'll meet him and get out. Who wants to open presents? You mute the TV on your way. Joe, what do you see? Genevieve, come on over. What are we doing? Yes, I know. Come on, come on. Come here, I want to get a shot of you sitting in front. Come say, okay, here we go. One for you, and then for you. Sit. Ready? Babies! I know you're very excited. Can you flip? I'll put a present in front of you, I promise. Ready? Look at that. This one actually says Joe. Joe, Steve, right here.
Joe, hold this. Joe. Joe.
Yay!
Okay. Ready? Want help?
Okay. Wow, what's this?
Wow.
Everybody's being so generous. Look at all this stuff, you guys. My goodness.
Joe.
Okay, let's read this one. Pretty ribbon.
Aww.
Very pretty.
Ready, Joe?
Hey, someone drew you a pretty picture on this one. Look, it says Genevieve. It says Genevieve.
1-year-old, you're sweet.
You're one today.
One big candle on your cake means you have one big wish to make. And bet you'll wish for lots of fun the way you should because you're one.
Aww.
Happy birthday, Josephine. We love you. Brendan, Andrea, and Leona.
This is Brendan, Andrea, and Leona too, and it says this little bunny's happy because he's just been told he gets to bring these wishes to a special 1-year-old. Yeah.
Josephine.
Joe, Vive, look,
Joe.
ripping. Vive. Oh my goodness. Vive, what's this? I know, that's awesome. How the pinky, I love the fluffies. Can you pull? You can help sister. She's sort of in a weird place right now.
Joe.
Genevieve, what do you have? Oh my goodness. It's upside down, but it still looks awesome. Wow. What is it, Vive?
Holy cow. Apple
Oh
Grove
my
Pals Train
goodness.
Playset.
A musical Ferris wheel. Wow.
Oh, look.
Look at this.
Joe.
Genevieve. What's that going to do?
Train playset.
Look at, oh, you can put the people in the Ferris wheel? That's
Yay.
awesome. Wowzers.
Look at that.
Wow.
That's awesome.
What? Oh,
What do you
sorry.
think?
Trying to avoid that. Wow.
You go.
That's awesome. Can we put this one aside and keep going? Uh-oh. Oh, it's the label.
Oh, Joe.
Fabulous
And
Joe and Vive. You want to do that one?
me.
Well, you and Joe. That's a combo, which it should be.
Happy
You guys don't
first
need to have
birthday.
everything in the wackos. What does Daddy have?